Luxury meets military. The toughest, most powerful, extreme sport utility vehicle on Earth. With an exterior design inspired by armored military vehicles with the latest in ballistics armor protection. Housed between exterior body panels, the inside cabin will protect the occupants. The latest in ballistic glass technology absorbs a bullet's energy. The flexible polymer inner layer completely protects the occupants from impact debris. The armored undercarriage protects critical components, such as the self-sealing fuel tank, providing protection from fragmentation explosives. Military-grade wheel band technology allows the vehicle to be driven even if tires are damaged or destroyed by gunfire. Key components such as the radiator are protected by angled armored steel. A thermal night vision camera allows the driver to see in darkness using thermal heat signatures to deter any assailant with the flip of a switch. Electrified door handles will shock any intruders. Vanish, activating your smoke screen. The advanced police intercom system consists of an external microphone and a speaker, allowing the driver to safely communicate with the outside without having to lower the bulletproof windows. Store valuable items in a discreet safe in your center console. Standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with powerful built-in navigation system that allow drivers to track their road progress and get back to their location even when map data is not available. The interior balances luxury with comfort and practicality. The smooth Napa leather seats have sport bolsters to provide additional support during spirited driving. Different suspension packages are available to satisfy any taste. These adjustable shocks can be tuned softer or more firm to suit the driver's taste. An 8-speed transmission and heavy-duty axles connect the power to the road. Make your own path.